we meet again. Before we go furthermore on oscilloscope, how about we learn first the basic about this oscilloscope. First of all, this oscilloscope, the GOS622G oscilloscope, consists of display and control panel. Okay, let us together learn about what the button, the knob consists on the control panel. Okay, guys, on the control panel part, we have the volt per division knob. We also have the time per division knob, which is the volt per division knob are used to control the volt, the amplitude of the signal. And the time per division knob are control the time per division on your display. My dear students, we also have on the control panel the vertical position knob, the horizontal position knob, the trigger hold off and levels. We also have the variable knobs, variance knobs, and the source selecting switch. Okay, let us together start using this oscilloscope. What you all need to know one-on-one. First of all, we need a probe and of course an oscilloscope. First of all, connect the probe to which source you like to do the calibration. If let's say you like to do the calibration on the channel 1 source, so we put this probe to the channel 1. Okay. Don't forget, guys, switch on the power supply. Okay, then we select the source to the channel 1. Okay, then by using volt per division knob, we adjust it to 0.5 volt per divisions. We adjust the time per division to 0.5. Then we try to adjust the variance. Okay, by using the position knob, we can control the position vertically for your waveform. Okay, so it seems like this waveform are too big. So by using the variance knob here, we minimize the waveform to get the 1 division, 2 division, 3 division, 4 divisions vertically. 0.5. Okay, it seems now we have the 1, 2, 3, 4 division vertically for your waveform. So it seems that when you have the 4 vertical division, you accomplish to calibrate this oscilloscope, which is on this oscilloscope we need to achieve the 2V peak to peak waveform, and here we have the 2V peak to peak. 1, 2, 3, 4 multiplied by 0.5 volt per division, so we get that 2 volt V peak to peak. Guys, before we forget, what what are the use of this intensity knob and this focus knob? Don't be forget, this intensity knob are used when we want to control the brightness of your waveform. See the effect when we vary the intensity knobs, and the focus knob here are purposely to control the sharpness of our waveforms. Guys, it's so easy when we know how.